So imagine guys, you are just working on a customer's car. This one is a BMW X1 no X5 E35 E53, and imagine if you're working on it for days, couple of days, and the battery just dies on you and you can't get open the driver's door, which is the one that the case goes in, right? What you can do in those cases, so if you come under the license plate, which is right there, I just had to remove the license plate, and you have this cable exposed. So what I did was to find the positive cable for the the positive cable for the license plate lights, and what I did was to connect the ground on the exhaust. You have the positive right there, and I just connected the positive. So once I got the positive connected, I just came here on the driver's side, inserted the key, and just like that the central lock worked, and I was able to unlock the rear door. So in case you are in a situation where you are on a deadlock because of a dead battery, maybe that could help you. Cheers.